So I'm gonna get right to the point. My hair is falling out. It's breaking to the point of, it's concerning. I understand it's normal when you shower, a small amount when you brush or, you know, regular shedding, but this is a lot. Whenever I move, if it's falling out, it could be damage from a recent treatment. Thinking also it could be some kind of deficiency, vitamin or hormonal imbalance. So it was between Do Grow, silicone mix, and Apogee. Am I saying that right? So the Do Grow, as I said, I tested that myself, but my hair wasn't damaged at all then. It was just for growth, like length. To me, that really worked. But I think things gotten a little serious now. Like this looks bad. The frizz, the damage, it just doesn't look good at all. I've read about Apogee. I bought this today. I'll show y'all in a minute. I bought a whole thing. And silicone mix. My friend, she has beautiful long hair. She got that bottle though from DR. She said it's better than the one out here, so I didn't want to buy it, and it's like some garbage. So yeah, I just decided to go with Apogee. I bought this today. I'll show y'all in a minute. I bought a whole thing. I got this at a beauty supply store. The price is really good on all of them, so. So I decided to go with Apogee because I feel like it's more towards what I'm describing. My hair has never been in this alarming state before. So I read up on this. This is, and I got this. So you have to get this. So after you do a treatment like this, it's very intense. You have to follow it up with a deep conditioning moisturizer. And hey guys, so I just washed my hair. The next step in the per the bottle is to apply all over your hair and evenly disperse it using a brush. Just comb through. I have my wet brush. It's a little. Okay guys, so I applied the product all over my head, and the product is very liquidy, so a spray bottle might probably help, but my hopes are very high because yeah. So I just rinsed out everything. Everything is feeling good so far. Moving forward, I should say, I'm going to only be using the shampoo and conditioner. And as far as the protein treatment, per the site, it says to use that treatment once every 4 to 6 weeks. All right guys, so thanks for watching. I will keep you guys posted.